Bonjour, welcome to our exciting lesson today. And in this lesson, we are going to conjugate the verb lire au présent. Lire means to read. This is an irregular verb and we are going to conjugate it in the present tense. Je lis, tu lis, il elle lit, nous lisons, vous lisez, il elle lisent. Je lis, tu lis, il elle lit, nous lisons, vous lisez, ils lisent. This translates to English. Je lis, I am reading. Tu lis, you are reading. Il est lire, he or she is reading. Nous lisons, we are reading. Vous lisez, you are reading. Ils elles lisent, they are reading. Let's look at some examples of sentences. Je lis un roman policière. I'm reading a detective novel. Tu lis très bien. You read very fast. Il lit le journal tous les matins. He reads the newspaper every morning. Vous lisez souvent des livres en français. You often read books in French.